What's going on, guys? How are you? How's everybody doing tonight? We're gonna be doing some charting here in just a second. Got this. There we go. We'll get started right in just a second. Awesome. How's everybody doing tonight? Let me know by hitting that like button. Let's go ahead and smash up the likes. And we're going to do some technical analysis on Doge. Can you guys hear me all right? Let me know. Excellent. So what we're going to go ahead and do now, some technical analysis on Dogecoin. Let's see what is popping with Dogecoin. So did any of you guys check out my video that I posted this morning, that emergency video? Because if you guys did, and I said buy the dip in the video, in the thumbnail, right? I said buy the dip. And what happened? Dogecoin went up a lot, didn't it? It went up a lot. How much did we go up? Wow. No way. 44%. If you would have bought the dip, guys, you would have made 44%. That's incredible. But, you know, you have to be really careful whenever there's a lot of volatility and whenever something crashes down really fast like that, especially Dogecoin, because, you know, historically speaking, when Dogecoin first hit the initial pump, you know, to 8 cents or whatever it was, it crashed down and it kept crashing and crashing and crashing. So what you have to do is, as an investor, a trader, you got to take a look at some of that historical data and see, you know, is this going to happen again? So that's why you don't put all your eggs in one basket in those instances. But if you did, sometimes those things play out, just like that 44% gain this morning. Now, I told you guys for weeks, I warned you guys for weeks. I gave you guys many opportunities to sell. I was telling all of you guys to sell, take your profits, take your profits. And look what happened on the day of Saturday Night Live. There was a crash, there was a dump. I said that was going to happen for 2 weeks. Remember, I say buy the rumor, sell the news. It is the day of the event. Whenever there is a good event expected on that day, sell every time. So don't even think about it. Sell, because it's the days that lead up to the event. That's when you make your profits. And theoretically, that's when you want to sell. You want to sell before, you know, the big event or the day that is planned. So that way you can secure your profits. And then when it crashes down, that's when you buy the dip. And you will win every time if you do that. Pretty much every single time. Guys, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not already subscribed to my channel. And check out my Patreon link. That is, it's a pinned comment. And you can get access to my buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies that I post every day. But let's go ahead and do some further technical analysis. So I have 2 charts here, and they really help me to figure out what is next for a cryptocurrency. And on the left chart is a 4-hour chart, and the right chart is a 24-minute. Now these charts together, they work very strongly, and they can kind of tell me like what is up. But I want to change this chart on the right. Let's do a 30-minute chart. So with the 30-minute chart, we had a major crash, came all the way down, and then we bounced up to that 44%. But what are we seeing here? what we are seeing is a healthy correction. The corrections are going to be more pronounced in Dogecoin because there's more volatility. There's a lot more hype going on. So what I would conjecture and believe will happen here is that one, we're forming a bullish flag, a bullish pennant. I taught you guys about that in my last couple of videos. But what we are seeing here is we came up and now we're headed down a little bit, but we're not going to come down below this level. I assure you, I'm pretty sure that's not going to happen. So what I think is we can come down to somewhere maybe in this area right here, and then we're going to look for our C. So we got A, we got B, and then C. We're going to look for that pivot point, which is called a C. In an A, B, and C pattern, because nothing moves straight up. There's A, B, C, D, or you can repeat it, A, B, C, A, B, C. So these patterns play out. So what we're looking for is this pivot point at any point, because we got the bottom, we got the top right here where that green mark is, and we're looking for the bottom. So it's going to be anywhere around here unless we come and break this level of support, which will be 41 cents. The current strongest level of support is 41 cents, 42 cents. You know, we're going to be in that area. So if we do come down to test that level of support, there's going to be a lot of volatility. I probably, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I probably would buy it in this area, because historically speaking, if we look back, we see a major amount of volume right here. We see a lot of movement. We see a lot of craziness going on right there. So honestly, I think we would get a massive bounce right here. Guys, go ahead and hit up the like button. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that, and check out that link that I have posted up there. It's the link to get my private trade alerts to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I can help build you guys portfolios, teach you guys how to trade like I do. But honestly, what I think is happening is that we are going to be going back up, because if we take a look at the 4-hour chart, we're seeing some very, very bullish momentum. Yes, we are seeing some very strong bullish momentum, but you know, it really depends on what happens here in the next couple of days. It's going to be a pretty big, it's going to definitely have a big impact on Dogecoin, but we are pretty much at the bottom right now. And we need to be recovering strongly, especially if we take a look at this momentum indicator right here in the bottom left of the screen. We see the waves, and the waves, they go up and down, up and down. So what we are seeing is a bottom here. Most likely we're going to be coming up. So we have some levels of resistance that we got to face. 66 cents, we have 60 cents. We have a few levels of resistance that we need to come up and test. But there's a lot of really good news that is going to be happening for Dogecoin in the future. Yes, a lot of really good, awesome catalysts. I recently heard that Dogecoin they're starting to work on building smart contract platforms or smart contracts on Dogecoin. So that would make Dogecoin like Ethereum. And if there were to be smart contracts on Dogecoin, a lot of decentralized applications or dApps, basically programs that are run on Ethereum blockchain, other cryptocurrencies could be run on the Dogecoin blockchain and the smart contract applications. So if that were to happen, Dogecoin could easily see $2, $3, $4. So if that does happen, that would be incredible. But there is still a bunch of other catalysts in the relative short term that is going to happen for Dogecoin that will bring Dogecoin to $1. Remember, we just pumped from 5 cents to basically 70 cents. That was a level that I called out in some of my previous videos. Yes, that is certainly going to happen. We are going to hit $1. So the question is when. And if you guys are saying, should I buy here? Should I sell here? It all depends on your strategy. If you are long-term minded, if you don't really need the money at this absolute second, why not buy? Why not hold to $1 or hold to an area that you feel like you want to sell at? Whenever you're investing into something, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whatever it is, real estate, you want to invest and have a goal. You want to write it down, you want to put it on a paper and say, okay, or even in your mind, like, okay, I'm going to enter into this trade. I'm going to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to buy Ethereum. And I'm going to hold Bitcoin or Ethereum until it hits 20%. or 10%, and then I'm going to pull out, and then I'm going to wait for a dip, and then I'm going to buy again. That's a strategy. People use strategies for every trade they do, and that way, if they stick to their plan, they will always win. So that's something you guys should consider doing. So how is everybody doing today? Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out that Patreon link where you get my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies. But where are all of you guys from? Where are you guys from tonight? Let's start reading some of these comments. ETH just hit 4K. Oh my gosh, let me see this. Thanks for letting me know. Oh my god. Ethereum's freaking killing it. It's amazing. Ethereum's killing it, guys. That is absolutely amazing. What about Ethereum Classic? Yeah, let's look at Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is actually kind of holding up strong. It's going to be breaking out here pretty soon. So I like this. This is a good opportunity. I can't believe Ethereum is $4,000. And the dip was 37. Wow. My account is going to be up huge right now. And guys, go ahead and smash up the like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. You guys are from all over, aren't you? I am from Florida. You guys know that? I'm from Florida. I live in Florida. Let me go back to the Doge chart though, guys, so you can see Doge live, right? We want to be taking a look at Doge live. Ethereum is just absolutely blowing the doors off, ladies and gentlemen. I just put out a trade alert like 2 hours ago to buy Ethereum, so if you would have bought it, you'd be making a lot of money right now. But I got to get back to the Doge chart, guys. The Doge chart. Let's take a look at Doge live. I'm going to do a 1 minute candle chart so we can see what is going on with Doge. But it looks like Doge is headed down. So we're waiting for a bottom. We're waiting for a bottom. And I am in Tampa, Florida. CRX Joe, thank you so much for the super chat, bro. I appreciate it. What do I think of ADA? You guys love to ask that question, don't you? I've been calling out ADA in my trade alerts for cryptocurrencies in my Patreon for a very long time. A very long time. I've been telling people to buy ADA for forever. I've been in ADA since 80 cents. And thank you guys so much for helping me get to 100K. Yeah, we definitely hit 100K today. In just a couple of months, 0 to 100K subscribers. Some of you guys live in St. Pete. Some of you guys live close to me. That's awesome. Let me go ahead and zoom this chart in for you fellas. See if I can zoom this chart in. Take this indicator off. I think that should give us a pretty good view right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so smart contracts, Doge, one lunar mission with Geometry Energy Corporation and SpaceX, Robinhood wallets, Dogecoin is inevitable, resistance is futile. The pimped out platypus. It's the coolest name I've ever heard. However, thank you so much for that super chat. But you are so right. There is a lot of craziness that is going to be happening for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is going to the moon. Oh, and I got RC for rare. Everyone woof woof in the chat. Absolutely, guys, go ahead and smash up the like button and check out, if you guys want my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, that Patreon link that you see pinned right there. What are my thoughts on SafeMoon? I don't touch SafeMoon. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. So those are my thoughts on SafeMooney. What about BNB? I love BNB. Incredible, incredible. I've been calling that out for a long time in the Patreon. Dylan, what's up, man? How are you? Melvin, welcome to the Patreon. And if you guys are new members of the Patreon, make sure you guys check out the top posts, some of my recent posts that are only available to you guys. And you can get the Discord link. And I just posted another post, so you can get that Discord link. Yeah, did you guys hear that Dogecoin is, has a lunar mission right now? That Elon Musk, his recent tweet, he basically made a Doge ship and called it Doge. Yeah, it looks like, we're looking at the 1 minute chart, guys, so don't be too alarmed. We're looking at the 1 minute chart, and Dogecoin is headed down. So I'm expecting a big bounce here. Yes, a pretty big bounce here. Where is the bounce? When is it gonna be? That is the question. Let's do a 5 minute chart, right? What do you guys think about that 5 minute chart or what? Guys, go ahead and smash up the like button. I appreciate it. I should have live streamed last night. I really missed out on that opportunity. But it's all good. We're here now, right? Wow, see, like, if you zoom in all the way, right? You see a 1 minute chart, you just see like the price just kind of falling down and down and down and down. But if you zoom out, you can be like, okay, it's actually not getting clapped. No, it's kind of holding up strong here. So we have a level of support right here, fellas. In this area, I'm gonna draw a rectangle. So this is our current level of support on the 5 minute. So generally, when we come to this level, we get bounces. Look, we look at historical data. Guys, that's what you need to take a look at. Historical data. If you don't look at historical data, you will get clapped. But see, look, last time we came here, we bounced off here. Last time we came here, we bounced off here. And we're right here. So most likely we will be bouncing here. Is Doge still being shorted as bad as yesterday? I mean, there's people always shorting things, so I would say no. Not as bad as yesterday. What do I think about Shiba Inu token? That thing is just rocketing, but super dangerous. I wouldn't recommend it. Honestly, wouldn't recommend it. Judine, welcome to the Patreon. What about BTT? You guys are asking about BTT. Great questions, guys. Great questions. Let's go ahead and take a look at BTT. BTT, man. Look at how volatile this thing has been. It's pretty much headed down, but it looks like the old Doge chart, guys. It really looks like the old Doge chart. So we're basically consolidating for BTT. We're just chilling in this area. Any second we can pop up. Any second. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts on BTT? You guys think BTT is going to be going up? Is it going to get another really big run? Let me know what you guys think. I'll try to zoom this chart in a little bit more. There we go. And if you guys would do me a favor, hit up the like button and subscribe if you have not already subscribed to the channel. Yes, let's get back. Yes, John, let's get back to the Doge chart. What is cooking in the Doge chart, ladies and gentlemen? Put it in the comments. Doge to the moon. If you want to see Doge go to the moon, put it in the comments. Doge to the moon right now. Let's see if the comments can get Doge to bounce a little bit. I'm using TradingView. And yes, Doge to the moon. Alright, let's look at Litecoin. What? Litecoin is $400. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. I think I own a bunch of Litecoin too. Please tell me I own Litecoin. Oh my gosh, I sold my Litecoin the other day. Such an idiot. Wow, this is crazy, fellas. Litecoin is snapping right now. See, welcome to the Patreon. Litecoin, ladies and gentlemen, this is Litecoin. Should we buy Dogecoin right now? That is a very good question. You know, I think we're headed down further. We're going to come up to find a level of support. And once you start to see a bounce, that is when you make your entry. So thank you for asking. But it all depends on your strategy. Too, you have to have your own strategy. And what do I think about Bonfire, Senny Zeburi? Thank you for the super chat. I don't know what it is. What is Bonfire? Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart. 15-minute chart. Let's do a 5-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. 5-minute chart. So like I said, we're actually breaking past the level of support. We're breaking past it, yeah. This was the level of support. So we have another level of support, so don't freak out. This is our next level of support. And then we have another level of support. So we have about 3 levels of support, give or take. And Jessica, you are very welcome. Thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, guys, I messed up the chart. Let me get it so you guys can see it. I'm sorry about that. Just trying to fix the chart for y'all fellas. All right. So, like I was saying, we have some levels of support that are holding us up. And let's go ahead and smash that like button. Let's get Dogecoin to the moon. Let's get this live stream out there. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want to get my private trade alerts, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, make sure you check out my Patreon. And that link that is in the chat. It's posted right there. There we go. Joel Miranda, what's up, man? How are you? Joseph, thanks for the super chat as well. Can I explain the sell-off? Absolutely. You know, that's a really good question. I appreciate that question. So, the sell-off is due because a lot of hype and people are just buying Dogecoin without even knowing what they're doing. Because of Saturday Night Live, like, oh, it's gonna go to $10 or $2 or $1, and people are buying it all up based on hype. So when that hype is over with, all of these retail investors and these people that are in it just for the quick buck for 1 second, they sell out and they're like, okay, nothing's happening, let me get out. So that's kind of what happens. That's why the sell-off is happening. So we might be bottoming out here pretty soon. I love Cardano. It's a great long-term investment. Let me take a look at Cardano. I might make a trade alert here. It's kind of getting clapped. Kind of getting clapped, isn't it? I forgot what... Cardano is doing good though. I'm looking at a 5-minute chart. Ooh, this might be a good buy. Let me go ahead and throw some of my indicators on there. So I just called out a huge trade for Ethereum before it just popped off. Oh wow, it's really popping off. I gotta make some moves here. Give me a second. And I'm using TradingView. That's what I'm using. I'm gonna read your super chats here in just a second, guys. I have one account where I only have Ethereum. I have a bunch of money on there and I only have Ethereum. That's how much I love Ethereum. All right, guys, let's read some of these super chats, right? Okay, Javier, he says 0.03 or 0.05 will be the huge dip. Another thing, I have SafeMoon and Shiba. What do you think about those tokens? Good job on part of your Patreon. Hey, thanks for joining the Patreon, man. I don't follow Shiba Inu token, nor do I follow SafeMoon, or Scammoon, as some people call it. Wow, Ethereum, Jesus, is $4,000. This is cray-cray. I've been telling people to buy Ethereum since like $1,400. Sorry about that, guys. I gotta get back to Doge. But let me read some more of these super chats. What are your thoughts on Telecoin? ETH token is pumping. I don't know anything about Telecoin, but ETH is certainly pumping. Let me see if we have some more super chats that I missed over. Do you know right when Saturday Night Live started, Doge hit? Oh, do you know why right when Saturday Night Live started, Doge hit 70? You know, just a bunch of hype people buying it up. People excited. Ohio, Idaho, asset. Yeah, just try to re-sign up through the Patreon. Guys, go ahead. If you want to get my private trade alerts to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, go ahead and check out that Patreon. Yeah, check out the Patreon. You guys are loving it in there because you guys are making money every day. I don't ask for nothing back. You guys just pay a little subscription and I get you guys right. Will ETH go back to 3K? No, sir. Not in a million years. Why is Doge tanking? Because Doge was at 5 cents and Doge went to 70 cents. So it needs to cool off a little bit. It needs to chill. Yeah, Doge is shaking out the paper hands. Yes, we are shaking out the paper hands. ETC is ripping. Let me see this thing. No freaking way. Yes, sir. Wow. I might put a trade alert for this one. Thanks for mentioning that. It's a little sketchy here. A little sketchy. A little sketchy for a trade alert there. Cardano. BNB, guys, look at this. BNB's on fire. Yes, sir. XRP. Alright, we gotta go back to the Doge. We gotta go back to the Doji. The dog. Please help me analyze SafeMoon. Because you super chatted, I might just do that for you. Let me see if I can even look at SafeMoon on this darn thing here. I don't even think you can look up SafeMoon. You can't. Okay. Safe. SafeMoon is not even on TradingView, guys. Is there a particular symbol for SafeMoon? Let me know, and I'll check it out for you guys, okay? Yeah, I'll check it out for you guys. SFM. Alright, I'm gonna try that. That's the only shot I'm gonna give SafeMoon. SFM. Yes. Not getting it, guys. SafeMoon is not there. But we need to go ahead and go back to the Doge chart. Alright? So we need to go back to the Doge chart, guys. Do some technical analysis and see what's going on. But before we do that, we need to get to 1,200 likes. Go ahead and smash up the like button right now. When we get to 1,200 likes, we're just a couple hundred likes away. We're going to do some more technical analysis in Dogecoin. Alright. Keep smashing up the like button, guys. Okay. So, like I've been saying for the past 30 minutes. Yes, I've been here with you guys chatting for 30 minutes. Been slaving away. So these purple boxes are rectangles. These are the levels of support for Dogecoin. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, these are the levels of support. So what that means is that Doge will most likely go down until one of these boxes. We're breaking out of this box here, which means we could bounce right here, or we'll probably go down further. I'm thinking we're gonna go down further and bounce in this second box right here or before it. At that point, I think Dogecoin will Dogecoin will bounce up again and we'll get a pretty big strong run. That's what I think is going to be happening. Okay, Ram, you said, hey Miles, do you hear that Elon is going to accept Dogecoin for SpaceX? Yes, I believe he tweeted about it. How about we look at this tweet? I'll pull it up in just a second, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, go ahead and smash the like and follow, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already, and also follow my Instagram. But I put out every single day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies. I'm making you guys lots of money. I can help to build you guys a portfolio. I do hour lessons to help teach you guys how to chart like a pro, like myself. So you guys need to consider doing that, all right? I gotta figure out how to do all this. I gotta figure out how to do all this magic. You get on Twitter, all right? All right. Wow. Okay, so Doge, Elon Musk. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can get it for you fellas. And we're gonna take a pause from the chart. All right, let's see if we can see this chart here. What app or website am I using for these charts? TradingView. It's completely free. So ladies and gentlemen, here we're on Twitter, right? We're on Twitter. And we saw Elon Musk earlier today, 5 hours ago. He said SpaceX launching satellite Doge #1 to the moon next year. So next year they're going to be launching a satellite. And he said the mission has been paid for in Doge. It's already been paid for by Doge. It's the first crypto in space and the first meme in space. That is some pretty big stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Some pretty big stuff. Now, that is just going to be another major catalyst to bring Doge to the moon, literally, as a cryptocurrency. But, honestly, we might actually be getting the bounce right now. Yes, we might be getting that bounce right now. Let me take off this indicator so you guys can see a little bit more clear. Oops. Taking off all the wrong indicators. So this might be our bounce, ladies and gentlemen. But I don't think so. I think we're going to continue to head down. All right. I think we're going to continue to head down. How low do you think Doge will go to again? Probably what is that level of support? I'll do a 30-minute chart. This is a 15-minute. We could definitely test 42 cents again. I think we can definitely test it. We can go down further than that as well. So don't go crazy if we do. You see some more of these super chats. Hey Niche, thank you so much. Or Niche, thank you so much for the super chat. GB, thanks for the super chat, bro. You can join my Patreon in the link in the description below. You can exit out of the chat and just join through that link, or you can join through this link right here I'm about to post. Oops, that's not it. Let me get that link for you. There's the link right there. If you want to get my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, join with that link right there. How about Polkadot or VeChain? Incredible cryptocurrencies. Incredible. Big Crespo. Can you explain why having the 4th position in the market cap, the currency is still worth very little? It's because of the outstanding shares or outstanding coins. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have more or less coins, so they're priced differently. It's pancake swap safe. I'm not putting my money on it. I'm definitely not putting my money on it. So yeah, we're just watching Dogecoin right now. We're just chilling. Let me see what chart I'm on. Thanks for asking that. I'm on a 15-minute chart. Going back to the 5-minute. So it looks like we might be bouncing here, guys. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. Wow, Ethereum is killing it right now. Just taking a look at Ethereum on my other computer. 4-hour chart. It's amazing. Amazing. Okay. Looks like we're getting a little bounce here. Let me throw my indicators. Market cipher B. Let me get this Vite only scripts. Alright, so I'm getting a really strong bounce right here, guys. Definitely. Time frame for Doge to get back to that mid-high 60 area within 2 weeks, 100%. What platforms do you trade on? I trade mostly on Femex. Thank you, Robert, for that super chat. It's a blessing. Thank you very much. And I appreciate the support of all of you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not already. My channel will greatly benefit you. And my Patreon. I'm one of the most accurate YouTubers in the entire world when it comes to technical analysis. If you guys check out my videos like 6 or 7 videos ago when Dogecoin was 30 cents, I said, look guys, we're going to be going to 68 cents, approximately 68 cents, 72 cents, around there. I gave out an accurate price prediction on my technical analysis and it played out. It played out, and a lot of you guys who are watching now can attest to that. I'm sure you've never seen anything like that before. But guys, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes, just like you guys make mistakes. I'm not the best in the world. Far from it. But I am very accurate most of the time. And I make you guys lots of money through the Patreon. So I appreciate all of that. Guys, go ahead and hit that like button. I would appreciate it. My thoughts on Anchor and Dogecoin. I don't follow those shit coins, the small coins. And I do offer private classes. You can check out my Patreon. Guys, I appreciate all the likes and support and everything. Alright guys, I'm just going to leave you with that. You guys have an awesome night. I just appreciate all the support, all the love. I will be making another video tomorrow. I am going full-time YouTube. Yes, I'm going full-time YouTube in 2 weeks. That way I can make more videos each and every single day. What do you guys think about that? I will be making videos every day. We're going to be probably doing live streams every day. And we're going to be killing it. So you guys have a great night. And I am out. Peace.